more than 10 years, ang Dim Sum Factory ay patuloy na nagbibigay ng oportunidad sa bawat Pilipino. Tagumpay na napatunayan ng kumpanya na may pera sa siomai. Ngayon, may good news kami para sa inyo. Mas pinalaki at pinadali ng Dim Sum Factory ang pagninegosyo nyo. For as low as 2,000 pesos, you can be our online dealer. Sa 2,000 pesos, you will get a dim sum kit with all our special pack line that you can enjoy with your family. Eto pa! You will have your own online store na magagamit mo sa direct selling business. As our online dealer, there are two ways to earn. First is through online direct selling. Just share and promote your personal shop link to all your family and friends. Pag bumili sila sa online store mo, Dim Sum Factory na ang bahala mag-deliver ng order sa customer mo. Hindi mo na kailangang mamuhunan sa stocks. Hindi mo na kailangan ng freezer. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-deliver. And you will earn 10 to 20% sales commission. O, di ba? Ang convenient magnegosyo. Second way of earning is through referral incentive. If you want to share the business to your friends, pwede mo silang invite sa negosyong ito. For every friend mo na mag-join, you earn 500 pesos as referral incentive. And for every 10 referrals, you can earn up to 8,000 pesos. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Grab this opportunity to earn and share the good news to your friends and family. For more information how to join, visit www.dimsumfactory.ph. May pera sa siomai! Tara, siomai business tayo!